Hi, this is Mark. This is Mark with Right Line Trading, and this is our evening newsletter. Starting with this disclaimer that all signals and trading opportunities we provide are for educational and demonstration purposes only. Everyone should understand that participating in trading in the markets involves substantial risk, and a person can lose a substantial amount of money. Always carefully consider your financial position prior to trading, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Now, I just wanted to say that I've been really giving out great trades in this video newsletter. Our Baker Hughes trade is way up. There's a couple of others that I've given out. Tomorrow I'm going to do a video recap. But what I wanted to show you was Fortinet. And let me take a look at it on my now, Fortinet is involved in the cybersecurity space, but it is really overpriced, and it really doesn't have the kind of technology that a lot of its competitors have, and I think it's going to be. It's going to wind up having a lot of market share stolen from it, and it has been very, very weak. Now, it's come way down from its high. Now, I don't have the chart going back as far as I need to show you where it was. Actually, it's come down from 372 after climbing from about 155 all the way up to where it is now. Now, I know I went over that a little quick, but I just wanted to show you, I think this bull move up here is showing extremely weak relative strength. And that on any NASDAQ weakness, Fortinet is really going to take a beating to the downside. I mean, today, in a very strong NASDAQ day, where the NASDAQ went up 178 points, Fortinet only managed a gain of $5.78, only 1.9%. It made a minor move up. That was up as much as $12, but it couldn't hold. Now, I think that Fortinet is a tremendous short opportunity. Now, overall, I believe that this is just a bull trap. We've had what is apparently a relief rally after the Fed announcement, where tech has just rocketed to the upside on Powell's announcement on Wednesday, and it's continued with follow through today. I think it's going to peter out, and it's going to roll to the downside sharply. Really, no fundamentals on tech have really changed. We're looking at 6 interest rate hikes as we move through the year. As that long-term information is slowly digested by the tech sector, it's going to roll over to the downside again. Now, I can't tell you exactly when, but I can tell you that I believe Fortinet is going to be one of the leaders in that roll to the downside. Now, it's right up to around 300 a share, and right at this point here is where I would take a bearish position. It's very expensive to buy a put here. You might want to buy a bear put spread on the stock, a 300 270 bear put spread. I think it is heading way down, and we've got a good 30-point plus move to the downside on Fortinet. As bullish as I am on energy and on commodities, I am very, very bearish overall on the tech sector. I chase nothing in our options portfolio to the upside on tech. The small respite we got, in which tech climbed and the energy sector took a nice retracement, I got into 2 additional positions within the energy sector, and now they're both rocking. So I would use this opportunity, and if we look at a much shorter term time frame here, let's go to a 5-minute. We have to let's make it a custom. It's a 5 minute, but let's just take this through. We can do a 5 minute here. And let's go 20 days. Now Fortinet's setting up beautifully for a long trade. It's got a pop out of consolidation and a long signal to the upside, and we may see upside follow through tomorrow. And you can see on a short-term chart, it's set up long. But if we look at a much longer-term chart, which we just did, it's really set to roll to the downside. It's got multiple areas of resistance to the upside. So I would look to Fortinet to start to roll over, and when the tech sector starts to collapse, which I strongly believe it will, this will be one of the leaders to the downside. Everyone have a wonderful evening, and the ticker is FTNT. Again, have a great evening, and I look forward to talking with you tomorrow.